and welcome to The Essence of Clarity. My name is Sabina Straver. I'm a professional organizer, and today I would like to chat about organizing and emotions. So this is a organizing chat, and we all know that as soon as we start to declutter and organize, emotions will come not only to the surface, they will go potentially way over our head really quickly. We are emotionally attached to the things that we have, to the habits that we have, to all the spaces around us, and that makes organizing so super difficult. So some of the key emotions that I've written down are fear, confusion, joy, that sense of relief and excitement when you start to declutter, boredom, frustration, relief, calm, and this sense of peacefulness. Now, today I would like to probably talk about boredom. So I have done a couple of really lovely projects, really put my heart and soul into them, and you've probably seen them very clearly on the videos if you've seen any of my previous videos. And then I get to a point, now what? What am I going to do with all that spare time I have after I actually organized and decluttered? And basically the answer is probably relax a little bit, find another project, and really enjoy that I've grown from a base level to the next level, and then go look up and go, this is the next challenge. So this is probably not one of the key standard emotions that come to mind when you think about organizing and decluttering. Probably I have done organizing and decluttering for many years now, so I actually get to a stage that, this stuff is pretty boring. And the reality is that once you're organized and once you have habits and routines in place, that is actually a great sign, because it means that you've hit a plateau and your life is in control, and you can kind of deal more with different things that are thrown your way, which are unexpected, because the baseline is kind of standard. So if you are in this journey of organizing ever get to a stage that you're either scared to get bored or you are getting bored at the moment, celebrate that feeling. Sit down, have a cuppa and go, okay, let's see what I have achieved, how I've done that, why I wanted to achieve that. And after you've had that little space, look at a next thing towards how you can be more organized and feel more in control. So for example, if you have organized your wardrobe, you have done a capsule wardrobe, maybe it's now time to organize the kitchen, something totally different. Or if you've done that and you feel up for a challenge, maybe it's time to do some paperwork or to look at your finances. So organizing consists out of many different projects, and that's the exciting thing. And there's a lot of starting excitement, challenges of doing that project, the sadness of wrapping it up, and then going, what am I going to do next? So that is a natural process, and that is part of your organizing journey. If you have any emotions linked to organizing and decluttering, please let me know, because I would love to do a series on this and kind of help you find your way, and what could potentially help you and encourage you to get past certain feelings, or absolutely revel in certain feelings because you're so proud of yourself. Organizing is a journey, and it is just a fantastic place to be on that journey and to go through that, because you basically learn so much about yourself through looking at your items and through looking at your space. I look forward to chatting to you again soon. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to see more videos like this, please subscribe. I also have lots of how to get organized and how to declutter videos. You can hit the bell because then you don't miss out on any new video, and you can also sign up for the free secret to organizing, which is an email with a PDF and some lovely videos that are following to help you really start on your journey towards organized living. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.